everyone, how are you all doing? I hope everyone is doing great and having a good day. So, how are you enjoying your time? Today I'm here with another video that is about insurance business and the toggle navigation. Before proceeding towards the video, I have a small request that if you are someone new to our channel, kindly subscribe our channel so that you do not miss out on any videos from our side. Also like our video and do not forget to share it with your friends and your family. So GEICO, what is GEICO? Everything you need to know. Whether you know it or not, I'm going to tell you about it. Whether you know it on through the GEICO or the caveman, GEICO is one of the most well-branded insurance firms in the US. The Maryland-based firm is a wholly owned subsidiary of Berkshire Hathaway and provides coverage for more than 27 million vehicles owned by more than 16 million policyholders. It's an insurance force to be reckoned with. Now let me tell you about a brief history of GEICO. GEICO was founded in 1936 by husband and wife team Leo and Lillian Goodwin, who were brave enough to set up a new company at the height of the Great Depression. The company was established as the government employees insurance company with an initial client target of federal employees and certain categories of enlisted military officers. Within a year, GEICO had written 3,700 policies and hired 12 staff members. In 1948, Benjamin Graham, a business professor at Columbia University in New York, chose to invest in GEICO. This was a pivotal moment in the firm's history, as Graham would later teach a young Warren Buffett at Columbia and therefore established the famous link between GEICO and Buffett. In 1951, Buffett visited Washington to learn more about GEICO and had an impromptu meeting with Lorimer Davidson, an investment banker and a good friend of the Goodwins. After this meeting, Buffett decided to buy some of the GEICO stock, and the rest is the history. Shedding some light on the history of GEICO, I would like to tell you that when Goodwin retired in 1958, Davidson was named as his successor. Then he went on to the lead company through 20 years of the steady growth, reaching the 1 million policyholder mark in 1964 and generating insurance premiums of $150 million in 1965, so that makes total of $150 million. Growth slowed down in the 1970s and years of aggressive expansion were starting to take a toll on the company's less reserves. GEICO responded by exercising prudent underwriting, a move that triggered the second Warren Buffett appearance when the reportedly purchased $1 million shares in GEICO stock in 1976 were purchased by him. In 1980s, GEICO introduced a 24 hours a day, 365 days a year telephone service for claims, sales, and the service. This customer-centric model remains with the firm today. So after that, Buffett's Berkshire makes the bid. In early 1990s, GEICO went from strength to strength under the leadership of new chairman, president, and CEO Tony Nicely. Warren Buffett's Berkshire Hathaway investment firms made a bid for the shares of GEICO's remaining stock in 1995, and by 1996, GEICO became a Berkshire Hathaway subsidiary. So, GEICO at a glance 2018. letting you know about the more information about this insurance and the GEICO thing. GEICO insures more than 27 million vehicles and has more than 16 million auto policies in force, and it is the second largest private passenger auto insurer in the US. The firm employs more than 40,000 associates and maintains 17 major offices across the country. GEICO enjoys high ratings from AM Best, Moody's, and Standards and Poor's for financial strength and claims paying ability. So, would you like to know about the product lines that GEICO would cover? So, I am going to tell you about that also. What product lines does GEICO cover? Private passenger auto insurance is GEICO's most popularly offering. Beyond private passenger auto insurance, GEICO is also providing motorcycle, ATV, RV and boat insurance, homeowners, renters, condo, co-op and mobile insurances, personal umbrella protection, life insurance, flood insurance, overseas insurances, business owners, professional liability insurance, general liability insurance, commercial auto insurance, collector car insurance, identity protection, and jewelry insurance. These are all the product lines GEICO is offering. Oh, I was going to tell you about the GEICO Mobile now. The GEICO mobile app was created to provide GEICO consumers with easy access to their car insurance information, and it provides immediate access to digital ID cards, roadside assistance, and a virtual assistance by an assistant who can answer the questions related to the coverage, billing, and much more. So, do you think that does GEICO use independent agents to distribute its products? So here's your answer. The GEICO website states, GEICO never sells its products to insurance brokerages or independent agencies. GEICO local agents are exclusive agents for GEICO and partner companies and are not allowed to represent other insurance companies that compete with GEICO and partner companies in any way. GEICO local agents are permitted with prior approval by GEICO to sell insurance not offered by GEICO and partner companies. GEICO local agents are entrepreneurs who go into business to represent GEICO and property partners exclusively. Their primary role is to prospect and generate insurance leads and policies that GEICO would otherwise not capture. The Gecko and the Caveman. The gecko made his advertising debut in 1999 and quickly became a popular symbol for the firm. The idea spawned from a common mispronunciation of the gecko name as gecko. The key aim of gecko is to save people money on their car insurance. 5 years later, the Gecko Caveman entered the scene with the "So Easy a Caveman Can Do It" ad campaign. So that was all about GEICO, and a lot of people search on the internet and ask that why is GEICO so cheap? GEICO is cheap because it's basically selling insurance directly to the consumers, and it offers a lot of the discounts as well. So most consumers qualify for more than one discount, which actually helps them to lower the overall cost of their premiums. And the fact that it sells insurance directly to the consumers is another big reason why GEICO is so cheap. So would you like to know that how much is the average car insurance provided by GEICO? So yeah, the average cost of a car insurance is $1,483. That is $1,483 per year. That is $742 per 6 months policy or $124 per month. So that is quite reasonable. That was all for today's video about GEICO Insurance and the GEICO car insurance and what type of products and the services it is providing. See you in the next video. Till then, please like our video, share it with your friends, and do not forget to press the icon, the bell icon, and subscribe our channel. That was all for today. Thank you.